London, you ready?
She want a man, woman,
It's Ricky Rowe's outrageously funny comedy play, She Want a Man, back by popular demand.
Marcus, let's make a baby.
But Claire, mother says wait until we're married.
Let's get married then.
Oh, Claire, now is not the right time.
Marcus, we've been engaged for 7 years. I want a man.
Your body sexy, you see? The camera. Then you could tell me say camera on, man. And you make me do that. Your body still sexy though. Hey! Hello! My name is Cool. Daddy Cool. And I am here to tell you about my show. My show. She want a man. Me. And me she want. Because me sexy. I mean wait. Of course. I mean have to show it. Yes man. Down by the Broadway. Broadway, you know where Broadway is in London. Yes, me come a foreign lad. Me say, foreign call you see. The call man. But I'll be down there by the Broadway theater on 24th of November. Yes, you know that month before December. November. Yes man. I will be down there showing off my sexy body. Yes man. I mean already girl them want you know. I tell you say I'm we are coming over here to do this interview. To do this interview yeah. Man, the amount of girl we have bomb rush me out the road. I tell them me have to drive me back and back them off. Them want me man. Everywhere me go all me can hear is daddy. Daddy Cool. Them just a call me cause them know me a no fool you know. Cause me give y'all money you know. Yes man. Me treat them like a lady. Make them feel good. That is what is wrong with these young boys nowadays. Don't know how to treat girls. Girls you have to give them money. Them like money. Yes man. That's why them keep on running to me. 20s of them, 30s of them, 40s of them. Them running to me man. Yes man, but I especially like the young ones, them you see, like 20s. I like the 20s one them. Yes, cause them one they could be like a spring chicken, you know. Yes man. Yes man. So make sure you come see me in my show. Don't buy the Broadway theater. So if you're in a London man, if you're in a London, then you can come see me. Don't buy the Broadway theater. I want to see me have a sexy body. Lord of God. Me don't know how God make me want so sexy, you know. Yes, man. It's like when sexiness in a give it, it's like me just go and me say, God, just give me 5 portions. 5 portions. So, and me are the sexiest man right about now. And you can see me at the 24th of November, right before December. Down by Broadway theater. Yes, man, I will hear me and my sexy self giving it to you. Giving it to you. Look man, all the money by you see man. When you see them sitting and Lord, God them thingy went up, you know man. The whole of them thingy, yes, I tell you man. Yes, and I'm some Chinese since over here, you see man. Yes man. I say yes. So make sure the whole of you come. The 24th of November, I'll be there. So make sure you come. Yes man. You go and laugh till you pinky up on yourself. Make sure man.